Hey everyone, I'm Christina. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to uncover your target audience using Helium 10's keyword research tool. You may have a general idea of a market you're trying to reach, but don't know well about who your target audience will be. Like for example, if you're trying to create journals, you may have a broad target audience since men, women, and children all use journals. So it's important to define and segment your target audience using keyword research so that you can efficiently market your product to the customers who need them. So here's how to uncover your target audience using Helium 10's keyword research tool. Let's get into the other screen. Hey guys, my name is Christina Ramas. I create self-help journals to sell in Amazon KDP. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for future video updates, and let's begin. Let's begin with signing in to your Helium 10 account. Now, if you don't have an account, there's a link that you can see in the description where you can sign up. The free account is free to use forever, but there are limitations in the uses for each tool. Your free plan can be upgraded at any time directly through the plans section within Helium 10. Helium 10 helps you find profitable products to sell, create fully optimized listings on Amazon, and increase sales over time with proven effective techniques. So here is a quick look at Helium 10's membership pricing chart. Click Get Started today. You can enter your coupon code here. Click here to sign up for free. Then fill in the boxes, your name, email, password, and check the I agree with. But if you already have an account, you can log in. Step 2 is type in your seed keyword. I am now inside the Helium 10 dashboard and I will be creating a CBD workbook, and I want to go after the right target audience for my book. Now I'm going to type in my seed keyword that will be cognitive behavioral therapy. You'll see here search suggestions that complete the term in the drop-down menu. With the search suggestions, it helps you come up with a search term that answers the question, whom should you help and why? Since my CBD workbook focuses on challenging and changing cognitive distortions and behaviors, these questions popped up. Should I help someone with anger issues, or should I help someone calm down with borderline episode, etc.? With the help of those search suggestions, you will now have the idea who your target audience will be. Now I'm going to click search with the search term cognitive behavioral therapy, and let's see how this goes. The search volume for the search term is 4,846. This is the estimated number of times that this keyword, cognitive behavioral therapy, is searched for monthly. Now you can take a look for other phrases here with their search volume and the number of competing products. Helium 10 says here that cognitive behavioral therapy workbook is a good niche with 2,218 search volume and over 1,000 number of competing products. Step 3 is dive deeper in Magnet. So let's click here to dive deeper in Magnet. Magnet will pull in the best, most competitive keywords. Step 4 is add a word or two from your seed keyword and then click on the Get Keywords button. To narrow the search, consider adding just one more word and it can refine the results. Let's add the word workbook here from our seed keyword. Adding a second word to the search term narrows the results from 4,846 to 2,831. Step 5 is apply filters to narrow down your search. Under the boxes, Magnet now presents a series of filters that you can use to manipulate and control the outcome of your results. On the left side, Magnet lets you set the parameters based on the Magnet IQ score. The Magnet IQ score identifies products associated with words frequently searched by customers. The higher the score, the more opportunity, though. The second filter allows you to modify the search volume. The preliminary search volume numbers are posted in the first box above. You may want to narrow the search volume. The third filter lets you increase the word count in your search. The default setting is to include 2 words, but if you want to search for longer keyword strings or long tail keywords, you can increase the minimum word count. The fourth filter allows you to manipulate your research to uncover the highest selling products. The final 2 filters on the initial results page can limit the types of matches or search only for Amazon Choice tagged products. I'm not going to touch these 2 filters for now. I'm going to filter my search. For the search volume is going to be 1,000 to 2,000, and for the word count I'll go for 2 and comparing products with a maximum of 2,000. Now we're ready to click on the apply button and run our search. Choosing those filters, we get these results. The next step is to check the relevant keywords and add them to your list. Now, if you want to narrow down, you can repeat the process. Add a word or 2 from your seed keyword and apply filters to manipulate and control the outcome of your results. Since I now have the data that I need, I will add relevant keywords to my list. We're going to input these target keywords to the title, subtitle, and to the backend. Backend keyword has 7 boxes to fill in. Remember, each box allows for a maximum of 50 characters. And step 7 is to download the CSV. That's it. I have now uncovered my target market using Helium 10's keyword research tool in 7 easy steps. Number 1 is to sign in to Helium 10 for free or sign up if you haven't signed up yet, and you can upgrade anytime. Number 2 is type in your seed keyword. Number 3 is to dive deeper in magnet. Number 4 is to add a word or two from your seed keyword, then click on the Get Keywords button. Number 5 is apply filters to narrow down your search. Number 6 is choose the relevant keywords by checking the box so you can add them to your list. And number 7 is to download CSV. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.